A new method to join high-voltage conductors has arrived to the electrical industry, and it has quickly displaced the conventional method of hydraulic compression. The new method of cable joining is much more efficient and reliable. It uses the energy contained in the explosives to make the joint, achieving in this way a stronger, easier, and faster union. The implosive connector technology is really very simple. A layer of explosive is set around an aluminum sleeve. At the same time, a plastic protective layer wraps the explosive and keeps the assembly dry and clean. The layer of explosive is designed with the right properties of velocity, detonation, pressure, and geometry so that it can generate the required compression. In the installation process, the two ends of the conductor to be joined should be marked so that the sleeve can align appropriately. Once the outer layer of aluminum is removed, the central steel core of the conductor is exposed. When introducing the two ends of the steel core into the sleeve components, it is correct to leave a small empty space between the two ends. This is the space necessary to achieve the best compression. The sleeve is then fixed at both ends with electrical tape to avoid unwanted displacements. The detonator is put in direct contact with the explosive's envelope, and it is held in place using electrical tape. The detonator is of the non-electric type, and it can only be initiated by using a shock tube assembly designed for this purpose, which makes it a very safe process. A 50-meter security zone should be appropriately marked for the protection of the work crew and possible bystanders. During detonation, the sleeve implodes, producing a permanent compression between the sleeve and the cable. The plastic protective layer evaporates without producing fragments that can be thrown away by the detonation force. The outcome is a permanent and completely compressed joint. The sleeve and the cable convert into a solid mass that seems to be cold welded without spaces between them. We are used to working with a different system, whether with a dynamic press or another system. In summary, when using this product, we are saving much time. Saving much time, and when talking about explosives, one thinks and imagines this is a dangerous thing. And it is absolutely not dangerous at all. The implosive connectors have tapered edges, which makes possible its handling with stringing blocks, avoiding any damage to the cables, making possible a faster and more efficient line installation. Yes, truly this is a huge advantage. One can make a section longer using this system, while on the other systems you are limited to making the joint later on the stringing operation. The installation of the implosive sleeves is very efficient. The crew prepares the conductors and a convenient number of sleeves to be simultaneously detonated. The implosive joints can be made at the ground level or in the air, whatever is more convenient for the crew and the project that is being developed. The implosive sleeves technology offers a series of advantages compared to the conventional technology of hydraulic joints. The quality of the connection is greater, the joint is easier to install. The implosive joint is corrosion-free and is completely sealed without open spaces that allow humidity or contaminants through. In the first place is to understand fully that Technology Analusa, which is a forerunner company in the electrical market, wants to keep up with the new and innovative materials available and with which it wants to work. FCI Implo offers a strong team of professionals ready to advise you in your projects and give the necessary training to your personnel. Get in touch with us and come into the future with the new implosive connectors technology for high voltage conductors.